Hi everyone, Blake Jones here, and in this episode of How Do You Do That, I'm going to show you something really neat that you can do with the new Magic Mask on Resolve 17. So as you can see here, I've got the bike shop and we have the background that we're going to replace. So what I'm going to do next is I come over here and I still have here in the picture, and then I just come over, draw a line here, and now as you can see we have one stroke in that area. And then I come over and I can see that's what was covered. And then what I can do next is, if you look here, that looks good, except that little part there on the leg wasn't covered. So we want to pick that up as well, and that's fine. If I don't want to see the stroke, simply left mouse click on the three dots, and then where it says show strokes, deselect that, and now the stroke will not be visible. So now what I want to do is right mouse click here, select add alpha output, and then connect the alpha channel from the second node to the alpha output, and then now we have our output now in the background. So now I've actually successfully cut him out of the bike shop and then placed it on the other background. And then what I can do here then is, then if I want to, I can then grade this separately, and just to make it so it's going to fit in better with that shot. And then of course I have to track it for the duration of the shot, so wherever he moves with the hand and everything like that will be tracked for the entire length of it. But this shows you another good usage for the Magic Mask function, because it allows you to actually take somebody who is actually against quite a busy background and separate him and then place him on another background now. So for more tips and tricks like this, don't forget to have a look at the other videos on my YouTube channel. And for more information about training, have a look in the comments below. Don't forget to give us a thumbs up, and hope to see you soon. Thanks a lot.